All right, how you doing? Today we're taking a look at the Virtual Drummer NEON. NEON focuses on modern pop, synth pop, dance, disco, indie pop, EDM crossover, and other contemporary productions. NEON is just part of a much larger collection. UJAM offers a variety of virtual drummer instruments, each aimed at different musical styles. You can check it out at UJAM's website or Plugin Boutique, and they offer some cross-grade offers, and there's bundles for all the drummers as well. Get all the virtual drummers. And from time to time, they have some really good deals on the other drummers, and they always offer a free plugin with purchase, different months, different plugins. So check that out. There'll be links down below. NEON comes with 5 different drum kits: soft, tight, grit, pop, loose. Now the reel to glam knob, this lets you move between a more natural acoustic sound and a much more polished modern production style. And then we have a mixers over here, different mixer presets with a mount as well. Let's play some presets and then we'll go into some other features in a second here. Okay, so let's say we find a beat we like, and then we want to just explore the different kits and the crossover between the glam and reel, and then some of the mixer presets as well. So you can quickly dial in the sound that you're looking for. And then we also have the sweep and maximizer and reverb on the master out channel. And we can mix and match different drum pieces from different kits. We got like A, B, C, D here for the bass. 5 different snares, the clap sounds. We got 3 different claps, different tom settings, hi-hats, rides, and crash. We have our master controls down here for decay, tune, and reverb. And we have individual outputs as well for those. We have our overheads and we have our room as well, which has compressor, low pass, high pass. The overheads, same thing. We have our drum kit laid out from C1 up to C3. C3 starts where the patterns are. These are MIDI files. We got fills, endings, special parts. And these are laid out with between like verses and choruses. And these are just MIDI files. You can drag and drop these into your DAW as well. And we have different patterns over here, starting out at slower tempos, up to faster tempos. And of course, you can use these at any tempo since they are MIDI. And we have presets for that, like I said, over here. The presets over here are going to be for your whole instruments, all the different things here, the kits, the settings, and everything. And of course, you can adjust these to taste. When you change these presets, it will also change the style preset. We have micro timing over here. We could do half time, regular time, double time. We could push or pull the feel of the beat. We have a swing setting. We have the humanizer over here, loose or tighter. We could have these sync on different parts of the song, like song position, for example, here. And it's also worth noting that you can use this as a multiple out instrument as well and create multiple outputs for the kick, snare, and so on. So just a quick look today. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.